That's a great thing.
What's that song? Hold that tiger.
Hold that tiger. Hold that tiger. Riggs College, Clemson University, Riggs Hall, Clemson University.
Birds on golf courses in coastal Beaufort County.
Roger that. Who are we? We are Clemson.
We are Clemson.
Hold them tigers. Hold them tigers.
They're
Clemson
great.
Tigers. Clemson Tigers. Ba 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 la 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 la. Who's the tiger? Hey, Clemson. Well, after I did Clemson in 1982, I joined the Navy. And then
awesome.
I got to see the world.
That's awesome.
I got to meet strange and interesting people. And I fucking kill them. Pow, pow. Chee-chee. Little babies crying, pow, pow, pow. You know, didn't matter. I did it because George Bush told me to. Dick Cheney told me to. Because I'm a Republican. You know, by the time airstrikes are coming in,
Great.
people's arms and legs were going off and shit. And we kept thinking, we're going to find weapons of mass destruction, right? Destruction.
That's great. Correct.
And then I realized we were lied to. Really lied to.
I mean, if you want to go in there and look at something, Kyle has to eat it.
We're like 2 minutes.
Okay. I know, this is a big thing.
Hey?
Like, there's
A young gentleman wound up
Calling your rocket scientist. Calling your goddamn rocket scientist.
he decided to kill himself. But he killed himself because he was stuck in the gun. We are
Clemson.
Clemson.
Oh, wait a minute.
Hold them tigers. Hold them tigers. Hold them tigers. Hold them tigers.
What was that thing you guys? What was that thing they always said when they were gonna have a drink? They did that thing that cheer.
CLEMSON.
Yeah, that's it. There it is.
Well, I'm glad you made it through. I'm glad you didn't go to Afghanistan.
I didn't.
Go to Asia.
She actually works for NASA.
You what? You work for who? You know, I actually, when I was doing my civil engineering bullshit at Lowry Hall, you know where
Yes,
Lowry?
I know
You
where
You
we're
know where Lowry Hall is?
Just say, right?
So we're in there,
Awesome.
we're working with this shit, and we're like, oh, it's Clemson, South Carolina.
That's
All
great.
right.
Got a new Facebook.
1981 national champions at Clemson.
That's true.
Right on.
That's something Wisconsin never had.
Let's
see, hold that tiger. Let's see, hold that tiger.
Do that.
New profile picture.
Hold them tigers.
Hold them
tigers.
tigers.
Hold them tigers.
Yep.